What is up, friends and family? Market up or down? The market was down today. Remember, you can't just go solely by color of the candle. It has to do with the price compared to the previous day's close. And yesterday was when what should happen doesn't. Today was exactly what should happen. And as we check out the brokerage account, you can see just how much massively we're back in cash. And pretty awesome for a down move in the markets. We were able to wash the money and in and out, in and out, in and out with the maximum benefit of compounding through trading. So we got a lot to go over today. If you would leave a like right away, there's a lot of value in here. And if anybody ever asks you for money, share the video with them. Tell them to get their own money. This is how you do it. I've got the mobile pulled up. It's a little bit boring. You got to watch it 2 times speed. Go ahead, but I'm going to go ahead and just type these prices in. Just a new shift at work. We're working. I do not have an ability to get on here before midnight. I just got home. So ADT. Okay, we got several tranches. It looks like we got 673. This is going to be 20. And divided by 3 times 4. 26.92. I'm curious to see where we'll go. I'm not sure if we'll have enough for investing, but I've got that pulled up just in case. I'm hopeful, right? 88.24. Also, let me know down in the comments, did you sell stock today? And repeat with me, as we always do, the stock market does not have to go up for you to make money. Say it again and never, ever forget it. The stock market does not have to go up for you to make money. And if people tell you that it is impossible to beat the S&P 500, you should never talk to those people about money because they do not know how it works. It's not that difficult. You can still be friends with them and stuff, just don't talk about money because that is a waste of time. Got a lot of heavy hitters out of here. I'm curious to see what the totals are because a lot of times we make more than the 1%, right? Remember, with the limit order, you can always make more than 1%, but never less because you have set the limit as to the price you are willing to sell it for. We had a lot of the money deployed. We never got all in. This was not a big move down. This was not a correction in the markets. We never got that far to the territory, but a little bit of volatility, you can see just how much opportunity it provides if you're ready with a trading plan and you have the capital to follow through. EMBC. All right. So let's get the grand total. Do the drum roll at home if you want. I'm super excited, and I'm yes. And of course, I've done this for a lot of years, and I'm happy to share my journey with you. I just got done working in a factory. I'm not special, and all this money gets to be mine now. And you can see why I don't put into factor the unrealized gains or losses, because a lot of the times with my strategy, I go right back into cash. And that's the way I prefer it. Yes, if just make sure I didn't miss anything. All right. And let's see how we did. How do you think we did? Did we make enough to go to investing? I hope so. Remember, we were already over the 1%. Looks like we're at 41.28. Almost up 2% this month. Remember, the stock market is down for the year. And we're pulling all this money out of account that doesn't even have a deposit anymore. That's pretty awesome. And yeah, I'm excited for that. 908. We still need 7 more bucks. So no investing. That's okay. Now we need to follow our trading plan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to make sure that our brokerage is right. This one has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, right, because I got this one counted because it's the merger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're good. So remember, now I'm going into the trading plan. I need to purchase the stocks I already own in order from smallest to largest as far as equity goes. Okay. So nothing crazy, nothing different. So we're looking for APAM and LEN. There's APAM. We've got nice dividends. The debt is under 4 and the PEs are under 15. 36.56. Don't care that it keeps going down. Math is my market advantage. If you don't have a market advantage, you cannot expect to make money in the stock market. We're not saving any money. If there's opportunity, I will put it all in. Really? Is that really the closing? Oh, yeah. Yep. We're on the buy side. We were on just doing selling, limit order, good till cancel, extend hours. Remember, I'm trying to keep this to 1% of the total account. So that would be $26 up here. And but I don't use partial shares because I have to use a limit order for my strategy. Very simple. Next, LEN for Jeff. I think we froze it up. Whoops. All right. LEN. There it is, Lennar. Little construction business. Nice PEs, dividends, debt. And I'm going to go a little faster as we go through. And so that the video doesn't drag. And remember, I'm immediately using all those dollars the very next day that we just got from selling all that stock today. Mostly while I was asleep. It's a truly beautiful thing, and that's why it doesn't take that much money in order to really reach financial freedom if you actively trade. But the reason you have to have the investing account with it is because there are periods of time when there's not much going on trading wise. But your bills that you live on and need to pay every month will come every month. So dividends help support my lifestyle in that way. Very simple. All right, we got Jeff and WHR. It's going to be a nice, easy video. I thought it would take a little bit longer, but if you're doing it by yourself 10 minutes a day, only on red days, uh, it's not a big ask. Debt's very high, but it is under 4. We've got dividends, PE's under 15, 38.66. You can see it went up from the previous purchase. I don't care about that. It fits the trading plan. I just execute. There's not much thought required. There's a little faith and conviction in the plan, but that comes over time. And it's a system that doesn't sound really that flashy. So I understand why, a lot of people don't latch on. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. And we're just going down the list here, trying to reduce our average cost. We got WHR and NOG. And to get a market advantage, to sell for a profit while the stock is tanking. Look, we're going to make money on this stock. It's going straight down. That was my biggest fear when I was trying to put together a retirement plan, was what happens if the stock market goes down. And think of it this way, what happens to your retirement goals as your 401k drops? Do you just live on less money? Got dividends, debt, under 4, P's under 15, 57, 55. That's why trading is the perfect companion to retirement on dividends, because you have the ability to increase the dividends even in times when the market is not that favorable. And slick on this, if we can get the computer to work a little faster, this will be a no problem. But I appreciate y'all watching. If you're still here, hit the like button, make sure you're subscribed. And I'm going to power through this. There's not a lot of big picture at the end, so if you got to bounce, I understand. But do your plan, follow your system, and you'll be better for it. If you make mistakes along the way, make them small and fast. NOG and HRB, what the heck? We still got this thing? There's no way we still have that. LB, we do. And it is bombed. MN, so no NOG. No HRB. So even though we have it, it's not on the screener. I want to edge. I want to put my money to use in the most efficient way possible. So SM is the last one as part of the stock merger. Nothing there. So next step of my trading plan is universe of stocks. And as we go through here, none of these are in my universe. None of these are in my universe. So now we just go to alphabetical order and just pound away. We've got nice PEs, dividends, debt's under 4, 665. Now we got to do a little math. This is a good exercise, even though it's a little bit of annoying. Eventually they will all be this way. ADT. So we're going to take 26 divided by 665, and 26 is just 1% of our total account size, and we're trying to make sure that we position size appropriately, and I won't go over it. And you'll see the returns may change as the account grows, but during deep corrections, it will flourish way more because you won't run out of gas so fast. Still have $1,600. It's amazing for an account that was only a $10 a week deposit and now has no deposit. So it's kicking cash flow out only a few years later, and that is truly amazing. Of course, you know, your situation is unique, and if you go crazy all in like I did, it doesn't take that long, and your returns will be way higher. So that's just get this out of the way too. This is not financial advice. This is just me going through my portfolio and sharing my journey here. Hopefully, it's a little helpful to you. And AEO sold today, so we sold all these stocks. We're just buying them right back. But you got to do your own due diligence, and you can lose money doing this if you don't do it right. Everything fits. 1876. If you got to consult a licensed financial advisor, do that. It's not for me. It might be for you. I don't know you. So this is the approach that I figured out when I started. It works great for me. And so I just figured I would share it. And we're just putting them in all closing print, 1% of the account, trucking right along as fast as the computer will go. And we'll deploy as much of the money as well we can. Avery Dennison. PEs are too high. Remember, when you look at this list, you're looking for a reason to not take the trade, right? This one's sold already. So we have this. Dividends are good. Debt's reasonable. PEs are low. 17, 18 for bank. Limit order, good till canceled, extended hours. Rinse and repito. And when there's more opportunity, now we have the money to take advantage of it. It feels really good. It's nice to watch it grow. CMC wouldn't allow on this broker, I believe, so we'll skip over that one. For whatever weird reason. PEs are too high here on CRH for me. ELV. Good old regular customer. 282.68. That's a big chunk for our small little account, but it doesn't matter. It's a system. Going with it. Come on. And put quite a bit more money back in. So the next few days are be very exciting. I have market bias. I know how to read charts and everything, but this system is so great because you don't need it. Look at those PEs. Very nice. EMBC 909. We'll take 2 shares. I'm not too worried if I make a mistake on if they're a little bit out of order by equity or whatever. A lot of people get hung up on the details and they forget to take action. The most important thing is to do the action. If it's not perfect, you just go get more money. That's life. But with passive income, you'll have some money coming back to help you. And it has truly changed my life. Because life has a way of getting in your pocket. Wow, there's so many on here. Good opportunity. Look at the debt here for Energizer. No, thank you. FBIN. I believe we sold this today. PEs are very close, but if you add these up, divide by 2. Type in the comments, what do you get? Dividends, debt, 45.27. FBIN. Still have quite a bit of money. I don't think we're going to run out today either. But we'll make it through the list and really compound some money. We have a lot of time left in the month too. FG, little life insurance, huh? No dividend EST. You see how that's blank right there? You don't pay rent, you cannot stay. I need a dividend. Dividend is the safety net for when the trades don't work. Because not all trades work right away, and time has value. F&F. Barely fits on the PE. We've got dividends, low debt. 48.40. Gentech. Very nice. Zero debt. 21.58. Uh-oh. Limit order good till cancel. Extended hours. Eventually this computer will die on me. I'll be forced to to upgrade. But do what you can with what you got. Throw your excuses away. Houlihan, I like the name of that. But the PEs are too high. Maybe one day we'll get to buy it. Jeff, we've done KBH. Nice. That fits good. 55.92. KBH. You know, there's a couple times a year at the minimum that you'll have periods of volatility, and it is entirely possible to make your year's alpha on the SP 500. You could make that 10% in 1 month. And hopefully we'll be here to share it with you. So I've had some pretty insane months. Not patient enough. I'm tired of being at work. So that's the only reason I go through all this for y'all. Hope you appreciate it. But this is how you get ahead. It's how I got ahead anyway. KMPR 29.51. It is very difficult to climb out of the rat race on purpose. Still got $1,000. Pretty awesome. We already did Lynn, but we haven't done LAZ. This one works too. LAZ 4304. That's not what I typed, I don't think. Come on, guys. Tired. $43.04. Limit order. Good till cancel. Stated hours. Got a few more here on the second page, and that'll be it. Got Mellis. PEs are too high, just barely. If it keeps dropping, maybe that becomes an option. With the pool, PEs are too high as well. PPG, got one of those locally here. It fits. PEs under 15. Dividends and debt. Remember, you add the PE and the forward PE and divide by 2. 105.85. Also remember these times for when there's not much going on and we sit in cash for extended periods of time. You're like, man, our cash isn't doing anything. It's just sitting. It's for periods like this where I can put a lot of money to work. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. And I don't want to do it as the market's going up. I want to do it when we have a pullback, which is what we're in right now. Got 900 bucks left. RPM. These are too high. SIGI. It fits, right? 76.94. A lot of activity this month. There is a saying, sell in May and go away, so we'll stock our jaws while there is opportunity. We got 800 bucks left. I think we will make it. We got Thor here. The PE's just barely made it. No debt. Nice dividend. This is a regular customer. 84.71. I think I just like the ticker symbol. The eighth grade boy will never leave me. You can see it doesn't take a very big account where you're moving money like really a professional fund manager, just on a smaller share count, right? We got 757. VYX. PEs are just barely too high. Western Alliance, that's a regular customer. Very nice. 72.27. It looks like we already did Whirlpool, the last one. So come on, man. This broker is way too fancy for me. But soon we'll be able to do round trip orders again. And limit order get till cancel extended hours. And that's the reason I chose this broker. We didn't go all in, but pretty close. And as you can see here, we have a lot of orders that we'll fill tomorrow. Some of them may get skipped or whatever, and we'll go through that tomorrow after work. So that's what we have. So if you're still here, type in the comments. I made it. That'd be cool to see people that actually watch the whole thing, but I understand if they don't. And again, remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this is what I did after work today to increase my passive income by trading, which is active income. It's like a side hustle that scales. So instead of making a few extra $100, I can make a few extra 100 million over time. So that's what we have. I hope you're doing well. I hope you made money on a down day. It's possible for average people. And I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.